Now, you know the most important season is upon us. Gemini season. Yes, that's right. Hold your applause and your slander. I had to come to you with this super cool haul from, yes, as you can see in the title, Dollar Tree. So you want a look at some of my latest beauty finds from Dollar Tree for just, yes, of course, $1. Keep watching. If you watch Dollar Tree hauls like I do on YouTube, you've probably seen some from this lovely lady right here. And I know one of the first things that I told her when I first watched her videos was, they never have these type of items at my local Dollar Tree. Well, turns out they just opened another Dollar Tree near me. Some of the stuff that I will be sharing with you today are things that I'm seeing for pretty much the first time. So let's get into it. I do lots and lots of videos, and I'm constantly either creating content with makeup, hair products, or whatever else the case may be. So I thought it was really cool that I found this beautiful clear plastic tote. It's of course airport friendly, flight friendly, and I can't get enough of these. You would think, oh well, how many bags or how many clear bags would you need when it comes to things? But when you start to accumulate stuff, whether it's notes or makeup products, hair products, or anything of the such, hairpins, hair clips, whatever, this type of stuff always comes in handy. Now, I am always going on and on and on about all the different concoctions that I like to come up with, not just for my wigs, but for my natural hair as well. You know, something I treasure very much: spray bottles. Yes, that's right, spray bottles. So when I was walking down the aisle and I saw this bad boy right here, I had to cop me a couple, okay? Yes, you've probably seen the standard clear plastic spray bottles, and they had a couple of those there at this particular Dollar Tree. But when I saw these, I went insane, and I had to kind of like stop myself, like, okay, Tasha, you could come back for more a little later. Just grab a few for now. Just grab what you need for right now. I thought the color of this rose gold metallic spray bottle was super duper cute. I love the volume of it. And you can pretty much add whatever you need in these, whether you are prepping, you know, some water in here to keep your curly wigs curly, if you are prepping your special oil concoction to keep your natural hair fresh and moisturized. I have friends that like to make their own makeup primer, but literally whatever your needs are. And I picked this up in rose gold, gold, and silver as well. Y'all know how I feel about spray bottles. They come handy in almost every situation that I have or I deal with. Now, speaking of beauty finds, y'all know how I feel about lashes. Y'all know. You know how I feel about lashes, okay? Because I barely have any. So when I came across these right here, I had to grab a couple of pairs in both styles. What I found at Dollar Tree are these awesome 3D faux mink lashes, wispy lashes. I picked up a few of the dramatic style wispy lashes. Also picked up a few of the just naturally light wispy style lashes as well. I can't wait to test them out just to compare and contrast what they're like with my usual lashes that I pick up at my local drugstore and try out. But so far these look just as nice. So I mean, let me find out Dollar Tree is my new plug. Let me find out Dollar Tree is my new plug for lashes. Now, I cannot share with you some of my favorite new beauty finds from Dollar Tree without getting into these super cute journals and notebooks that I picked up along the way. Once again, I had to stop myself. Now, this first one I think is super duper cute. And of course, on the front, it says hopes, dreams, and video calls. I'm always constantly thinking of different ideas, different events, I'm just a creator at heart, so I'm constantly thinking of different things. So I thought, why not give myself a special place to be able to put this? And I know I'm not always going to be able to carry this one around wherever I go. So I picked up this tinier one, which I think is like perfect, y'all. This right here, I love the pattern. I love the color of it. And I just like how tiny it is. This can fit into most of my purses. If I'm traveling, if I'm on the go, something comes to mind and I just feel like jotting something down. If I have an appointment with somebody, if I have a meeting with somebody, this is right where I can jot those things down. So I'm definitely excited to get started on my new scheduling and organizational journey with these 2 new notebooks that I picked up from the Dollar Tree as well. Of course, I cannot get into my excitement about all the new content I plan on creating over the summer without sharing some new really cool materials that I picked up from the arts and crafts section. Now, the first one that I picked up, I won't say exactly what I plan on doing with them, but I am excited to find them, are these really cute multicolored feathers. All I can tell you about these are stay tuned for sure. I've got some yellows, I've got some greens, I've got some purples and reds, and some pinks and some oranges in here. And I just cannot wait to dig into this pack and just see where it takes me. And of course, the other find that I can't wait to get into is, man, these sequins are super duper cute. I ain't even gonna say what I have in mind for this particular pack that I found, but just stay tuned. Just stay tuned, because it's coming out really soon. Did that rhyme? Look at me with my bars. Stay tuned, because it's coming real soon. Hey, stay tuned, cause... Alright, I'm sorry. Next thing. Now, as long as I am doing all this planning and doing better with time management and organization, your girl needs her rest, and I haven't necessarily been getting enough of that. But you know what? I thought this was pretty cute. I found this gorgeous satin eye mask from the beauty aisle as well. I've never actually owned an eye mask, but I just recently purchased some blackout blinds for my bedroom, and when I tell you that has improved my sleep so much, can only imagine combining the blackout blinds helping me fall asleep and stay asleep, as well as putting that with this satin eye mask to just kind of give me a complete shut-eye experience. Now listen, when I am done shooting video content, pictures, makeup and hair looks in the middle of the night, and I just want to lay down but I don't want to mess my skin up, man, it's a struggle. But you know what, I saw something in the beauty aisle and I had to pick it up for myself. Now I grabbed myself a makeup vanishing towel, and it says no soap needed. Now I don't know if I'm gonna follow their advice, but you're supposed to run this towel under warm water, squeeze the excess water out, and just go ahead and rub all of your makeup off of your face. So yeah, I will definitely be best friends with this particular item that I found in the beauty aisle this summer, especially when I'm holding these long all-nighter sessions of content creation, and I'm looking forward to it. Now I'll be adding a little bit of soap to mine, some facial wash or whatever it takes, but I'll definitely keep you posted on how I deal with taking down all of my stuff once my all-nighters are completely done. Now, if we're going to talk about the cleansing process and taking stuff down, I saw this and it reminded me of something that people have been advising me to try forever and a day. But this is an exfoliating washcloth. This is supposed to help kind of scrub off all of the excess skin, dead skin, and dirt and grime and whatever else, and just help you exfoliate from head to toe. Now, even though I won't be using it on my face, I'm looking forward to using it with a little bit of lemon juice on my legs, just to see how much it helps me exfoliate my skin on other parts of my body. I picked up one of these, but if it does work for me, if I do enjoy it, like people convinced me that I would, I'll definitely be back for more. Now, if you don't know anything else about me, or you can't tell anything else about me from my channel, if you're already subscribed or you're a part of the fam, y'all already know that I have some commitment issues when it comes to my hairstyles. But underneath, I'm happily natural and I'm happily short-haired. I'm constantly cutting it, I'm constantly coloring it, and just trying different looks. So when it comes to washing my natural hair, I'm very excited to try out this product that I picked up in the beauty aisle, which is a microfiber hair wrap. If you have very sensitive hair, you're looking to grow your hair in healthier or whatever, or you are on your natural hair journey, you are constantly on YouTube looking up different videos instructing you how to wash your hair, how to dry your hair, how to style your hair. But this one I think is pretty cool. Take this and treat it as a mini towel. It's a lot softer than a towel, so it won't be as harmful to coilier textures of natural hair. Tie it and you just go on through your day and do whatever work that you have to do around the house. Now, apart from this being a very amazing season coming up because of everybody's excitement to kind of get back outside after such a crazy year of being inside, that's a whole different video. Another thing that has me really excited about what I picked up at the Dollar Tree are all the amazing drinks and cocktails that I can test out with my new cups that I picked up from Dollar Tree. Now, this could be for different punch, this could be for water, this could be for literally anything. But as soon as I saw it on the shelf, I had to pick it up because it just reminds me of, you know, being at a luau, at a cookout. This one, now you know I love my cups with the lids on top because that means I can kind of just grab them and go. This one is a really cute bottle shape drink cup. And I don't know if you can see it right here, but it says tropical life on both sides. So I don't know where I'm going. I'm just kind of going with the flow this season. But for sure, no matter where I end up, you're probably going to see this in a couple of my vlogs and a couple of my Instagram stories. If you're not following me on Instagram, what are you waiting for? Go ahead. I'll give you a minute. Go ahead. I'll give you a minute. You good? Did you follow me? Alright, perfect. This bad boy right here, I'm going to be putting to use. You know what? This one is a tall, really cute yellow plastic pineapple themed cup. And I can definitely see myself throwing some rum punch in here, any type of coconut punch, any type of tropical fruity drinks that I'm making for my girlfriends or any of my guests coming over. So we gonna do a little something with this cup, and we gonna throw a little straw in there, and we'll let you know how it turns out. This one is super duper cute. It's like a tumbler cup, and it has this really like holographic rainbow touch to it. It has a lid and it comes with a straw. It looks like it keeps a lot of volume of liquid in here. So for those very hot days, whether you are at a food truck festival, you're at a parade, at the beach, at a cookout or anything like that, and you just want to keep cool, throw a couple ice cubes in here with whatever is keeping you refreshed. I can't wait to use this cup. This, of course, is only my very first Dollar Tree haul, but most definitely not my last. So if there's anything else that you would like to see me check out or try out or review from Dollar Tree or anywhere else that you love to shop, please drop down in the comment box below and definitely let me know. I know there are a couple of Dollar Tree experts and aficionados watching this video right now. So if you feel like I missed something, or you think there's something else that I need to go back to Dollar Tree and check out, or some of your really great finds from your local Dollar Tree, of course, drop down in the comment box and let me know that as well. I'm so excited to be back with you guys and sharing what I've been up to. Please, of course, stay tuned for more vlogs, more hauls, more reviews, and so much more. Make sure that you are subscribed, that you have that notification bell clicked on, okay? And make sure that you're telling a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about everything that we do over here on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much again for clicking play and just coming to chill with me, all right? So we're just getting started. Gemini season is just getting started, of course, and I've got so much planned for this summer, all right? So make sure you stay tuned, and I will see you next time right here, same place. Peace out.